This is Omen by HP Mousepad 300. That is the Souris 300. See? Omen is a premium product line by HP. Very nice laptops. Comes with 2 seals here and there. Oh man, it's huge. You can put like a keyboard on it. It's huge. It's pretty thick. Huge and thick. Omen. Comes with a manual warranty. Pretty thick for a mousepad. And some stickers. Very nice. Really thick. It's definitely a lot thicker than this SteelSeries mousepad. It's also so much bigger. It's huge. You can probably cut it into 3 big ones, 3 pretty big ones. Just buy one, cut it into 3. And this one is from Dell. So much smaller. One from Dell is like 4 or 5 times thinner. Different material. This one more nice. This one more like, you know, like this. I would assume you're supposed to use it like that. Oh man, I definitely did not expect that. This is so comfortable. This is so good. It's like everything is here, everything is big enough to have keyboard and mouse, and it's super comfortable. And the thing that you can do, you put it like this, and then you put your elbow on it, and it's much nicer than putting it on here, you know? It feels really nice, like everything's nice and smooth. It doesn't look particularly great, but man, I love it. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping this mousepad. As for the mouse, it's pretty comfortable, it's pretty nice. It's I like it. It's really good. Mousepad 300, and it's not expensive. It's no more expensive than this one. In fact, I paid more for this Dell's, for this little thing. This is awesome. I'm so happy. So good. So nice. I like. It's the best mousepad ever, bro. So good. Keyboard here, mouse there. Look. So good. Such a good mousepad. The fact that keyboard is here, and I would assume that you would have to clean it more. I would suggest some like rolling thing. Yeah. So good. Such a good mousepad. Omen Mousepad 300 is the best, bro. Buy it. So good. See? So good. Buy Omen Mousepad. Box is cool. Look over here. So good. Just buy. It's the best mousepad I've seen. Omen. Mousepad 300. Very good. Just buy and enjoy. So nice. So nice to put a hand like this. So cool, bro. Yeah. See? So nice. You can even like put it down a bit. Like this. Yeah. Maybe just a little bit. So good, bro. So nice. Very good. I like Mousepad 300, you know, not 200, 300. And it's not expensive too, you know. I found it really cheap. Directly from HP. They gave me a good deal on it. It's the best mousepad. If you want a good mousepad, just buy this one. I have now Omen mousepad and Omen computer, you know. And I keep some Alienware. So good. Just buy. And if you're still watching, please like and subscribe. Thank you.